Shreya Side members, I hope you all are doing great. So welcome back to my YouTube channel Shreya Side. So as you must have seen from the title, today is gonna be a quick unboxing, and this is the unboxing of the brand I have waiting like since ages, I would say, because this is a brand I wanted to test out, I wanted to try since long back, but I could not because I have already used so many skincare products. So I just wanted to give it a little bit of halt and then use this product so that I come to know whether the products are actually working for me or not. And finally, when I saw these products are there on Nykaa, available with few of the offers which are going on at Nykaa, still going on, so I could not resist myself and I just went to shop for them. So I have purchased this box from Nykaa, and all the products like inside there is from the very well-known brand for beauty, for cosmetic, and that is Innisfree. I hope all of you must be knowing about this brand Innisfree. Actually, guys, for those of you who don't know, or those who are listening this brand for the first time, let me just give you a quick summary of this brand, or let me just quickly tell you people about this brand. Innisfree is a Korean brand. Okay, this is a South Korean skincare beauty brand, and this brand has like variety of cosmetic. It has hair care, skin care, and whatnot products for you. So this is amazing. This is known to be the #1 best Korean skincare brand when it comes to cosmetic and beauty products. So, and this is something which has been like boasted since quite a long, like for about, I think for like since last year this brand has came into focus like anything in India. If I'm not wrong in my knowledge, then I think 2 years back this brand launched its first outlet in India, that is in Delhi. And last year, like in 2018, it opened its outlet in Mumbai. So yeah, it's been like a year and so that this brand has even established in India very well, and this brand is getting so many good reviews and people are loving this brand. So this is the main reason why I wanted to try this brand. So yeah, hey, I have this brand today with me. I have purchased this product from Nykaa. First of all, let me just tell you about the products. Whichever products are lying inside this, they cost me for 1380. So yeah, let's just quickly unbox this and see what are the products that I wanted to try or that I'm purchasing for the first time. One thing, that this is the brand I'm trying out for the first time myself. I have never used Innisfree any product, neither hair care nor I have not just used this brand ever since now, but this is for the first time I'm going to try this brand. I'm super excited to try this out. Right now I'm just going to do an unboxing in front of you all. Later on, after I'm going to use this, I'm surely going to come back with the reviews which are always honest and of my personal means the way I'm gonna feel about these products. I'm surely gonna let you people know about it. So give me some time so that I use them, I personally observe the results on my skin, then I'm gonna tell you about the reviews. Wait for that. For now, let us just continue with the unboxing. So guys, here I've unwrapped all the sheets. I have just unboxed the product. The box is completely empty. So let me just take you all through the products which were there inside. Actually, it consists of just 2 products. That means I have just purchased these 2 products, that's all. And one thing I would love to mention is that there's something I got free from Innisfree, because as I mentioned before that there's a offer going on at Nykaa on Innisfree, that if you purchase for like about if I'm not wrong, then more than 1100 or something, then you get this that we call as chia seed discovery kit for free. So that's something amazing. Obviously, if you get something for free or something as an offer, that's always the best thing and that's best feeling. Okay, so the first product which I'm having over here is the Jeju Volcanic Lava Pore Scrub Foam. This is the how it looks like. It is amazing. The volume of this is quite good. काफ़ी ज़्यादा voluminous है. 150 ml का ये बॉटल है और इसका प्राइस है 690 रुपीज़. मुझे ये प्रोडक्ट कोई ऑफ में नहीं मिले हैं क्योंकि इनमें कोई भी किसी तरीके का डिस्काउंट नहीं था. जस्ट एक ऑफर था कि अगर आप 1100 से ऊपर की परचेज करते हैं तो आपको चिया सीड की डिस्कवरी किट फ्री मिलेगा. सो दैट्स समथिंग गुड. बट प्रोडक्ट मुझे MRP में ही मिला है. 690 का है तो 690 का ही मुझे ये फेशियल स्क्रब मिला है. ये है जेजू वॉल्केनिक लावा पोर स्क्रब फोम वाला स्क्रब है. इट मीन्स ये ठीक है. सो ये बहुत ही अच्छे से पैक करके दिया है. इसके बाहर एक ये प्लास्टिक शीट भी है. सो पैकेजिंग इज गुड. नायका की भी पैकेजिंग अच्छी है. सो दिस इज हाउ द प्रोडक्ट लुक्स लाइक. ओके, दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. Now let me just tell you a little bit about this product. The ingredients are there are many ingredients. Okay, there's not just a little ingredient, but there are many ingredients. The ingredients are written like very well, and if there are many ingredients which are shown at the packaging, that means the brand is being true with you. जो brand सिर्फ कुछ ही ingredients दिखाती है ना, that means वो अपने बहुत से ingredient hide कर रही है. But जो brand आपको ज़्यादा ingredient दिखाती है, that means it is showing off maximum of its ingredient. That is something good. That means that since some way or the other makes you secure about the brand, about the product, that it is some way or the other, the constituents are some way or the other generous, or they are good for your skin. That's why they are being able to show them of all at the back side of the packaging. Okay, and the direction for use is, it says lather the cleansing foam with water and massage onto the face with a circular motion and rinse with lukewarm water. Okay, so that means this is not like a normal scrub जैसे हम चेहरे पे लगाते हैं normal scrub. This is not exactly like that. This is something which you have to take on your palm, then you have to lather it. Means आपको lather means झाग. Okay, so that means आपको इसका पानी डाल करके इसका अच्छे से झाग बना करके अपने चेहरे पे scrub करना है. So that is something new. The concept is new to me because I've always used the facial scrub which are either of cream consistency or which are just the exfoliating kind of product, just to use alone, not to be, which never made foam and stuff. But this is something new. It is a foaming facial scrub, so the concept is quite new for me, and I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna tell you about my personal honest review. Wait for that, give me some time to use and check it whether it works for me or not. But this is something which is super hyped, guys. I've heard about this like many times from many people around, so I just want to give it a try myself. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द जेजू वोल्केनिक लावा रेंज जो भी है इनकी पूरी, इसमें फेस पैक है, फेशियल फेस वॉश है और इनका एक फेस मास्क आता है. तो ये जो पूरा ये जो जेजू वोल्केनिक लावा वाली इनकी रेंज है ना, इट सेज दैट इट हैज द एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट फ्रॉम द जेजू लावा इटसेल्फ. दैट मीन्स द ingredients are so high, मतलब high quality, that they just tends to open your just tends to मैनेज योर हाईली ओपन पोर. जिन लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा ओपन पोर की दिक्कत है, जिनके पोर्स बहुत क्लॉग्ड रहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से उनको अगेन अगेन पिंपल या एक्ने इशू होते रहते हैं, तो ये बेसिकली जो आपकी ये जेजू वोल्केनिक लावा की जो रेंज है पूरी, ये बेसिकली उन्हीं लोगों के लिए जिनको अपने फेशियल पोर्स के लिए कंसर्न है, जिनको ओपन पोर्स है बहुत ज़्यादा, जिनको क्लॉग पोर्स की दिक्कत है, जो भी आपके मेजर पोर कंसर्न है चेहरे के लिए, ये पूरी रेंज बेसिकली उसी में फोकस करती है. तो जो सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट है वो है जेजू वोल्केनिक लावा पोर क्लेंजिंग फोम. तो ये तो था पोर क्लेंजिंग स्क्रब फोम, यानी स्क्रब के तौर पे फोम था, लेकिन ये है इनका पोर क्लेंजिंग फोम यानी फेस वॉश आम भाषा में कहा जाए तो. ओके, नाउ लेट मी जस्ट, ये भी इसी तरीके से पैक है बिल्कुल बाहर से प्लास्टिक शीट से. दैट इज समथिंग गुड. ये 150 ml का बॉटल है और इसका प्राइस है लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू अबाउट इट प्राइस. या सो बोथ ऑफ दीज आर फॉर 690 ईच. तो जो ये स्क्रब था ये भी 690 का ही है, और ये जो फोम है फेशियल फोम यानी फेस वॉश है, ये भी 690 का ही है. सो बोथ आर फॉर 690 रुपीज ईच. एंड इनका जो वॉल्यूम है वो भी इक्वल है, दोनों 150 ml की ही है. ये थोड़ा ऐसे थिक पैकेजिंग में है, ऐसे थोड़ी वाइट पैकेजिंग में है, और ये थोड़ी स्लीक और स्लिम पैकेजिंग में है. दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस. दोनों के एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट भी सेम है, दोनों जेजू वोल्केनिक लावा ही इनका एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट है, और दोनों का मेजर कंसर्न जो है वो आपका पोर क्लेंजिंग ही है. दोनों में लिखा है ये पोर क्लेंजिंग फोम है, ये पोर क्लेंजिंग स्क्रब है. तो दोनों का जो मेजर टारगेट है वो आपके पोर्स के ही, जो भी स्किन के पोर के इशू है वही है. सो दैट्स ऑल आई वांटेड टू टेल यू. नाउ लेट मी ओके जस्ट टेल यू अबाउट द फ्री प्रोडक्ट ऑल्सो. तो मुझे ये फ्री मिला है इसमें चिया सीड डिस्कवरी किट. सो दिस इज द किट विच आई हैव गॉट फॉर फ्री. लेट मी जस्ट सी व्हाट आर द प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक इनसाइड दे. Oh, this is super cute. Look at this packaging. I mean, just a little packages from the chia seed range. So chia seed is a newly launched range from Innisfree, if I'm not wrong. Although मेरे लिए तो Innisfree ही new है, क्योंकि I'm gonna use this for the first time. I'm gonna give it a try for the first time. So, but chia seed is something which they have launched newly, if I'm not wrong. So the product which I've got for free is, the first is chia seed hydrating facial toner. So this is the hydrating facial toner. I hope you can see. ये है इनका toner. And the second product which is there is hydrating lotion. So the second is chia seed hydrating lotion. Toner है, lotion है. अब देखते हैं तीसरी चीज क्या है. तीसरी चीज है chia seed no shine hydrating cream. तो ये है इनका no shine hydrating cream. तो ये पूरी एक स्किन केयर रिजीम की एक अच्छा इन्हें किट दिया हुआ है. आप टोन कर सकते हो, आप हाइड्रेट कर सकते हो, आप मॉइस्चराइज कर सकते हो अपने फेस को. So I'm even gonna use this and I'm even gonna let you people know about this also. So जो लोग chia seed की रेंज से परचेस करना चाहते हैं उनको भी थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया मिल जाए कि एक्चुअली chia seed जो इन्हें न्यूली लॉन्च किया है उसके प्रोडक्ट्स कैसे हैं, क्या स्किन कंसर्न के लिए है. So that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Anyhow, if it was, do like it, comment down and tell me the products which you have used from Innisfree, if they have worked somewhere or the other for you. Then let me know. Recommend me a product if you have used any, and let me know about these products if you have any suggestion regarding them. And yeah, that's all. Share it with your friends, with your family, with your loved ones, and stay tuned with my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and after subscribing, always remember to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload the next video. Till the timing I don't upload the next video, keep tuned with my channel. Love you all. Take care, guys. Bye bye.